Hi, my name is Kayla Robbie, a product review expert and bargain hunter. Today, I'm going to discuss the top 5 products you are searching for. I have selected these products on my top 5 list after hours of research, feature reviews, and performance analysis. Let's go and see the top 5 product reviews now. Thanks for watching the video. As I said at the beginning, I'm a bargain hunter and I have found a big discount link for you. Please have a look at the description below and get your special discount link now.